Hi friends. Today we're gonna see what's in this box. It's Moterm Pocket Versa. Um, I'm very excited about this one. We'll see how it goes. So that's how it comes. Obviously, Moterm always perfect packaging. The box, the dust bag. Here she's itself. We have some inserts and a fly leaf. Fly leaf, let's see what's here. Okay, yeah, some pockets. 1, 2, 3 little pockets for the cards and another extra pen loop. This is always nice. The insert standard pocket size. Wow, okay, let's start from the very beginning. The feel and the appearance. I love the structure of the Moterm leather because it's not too soft, not too hard. For me, if it's a little bit more hard, then every time you open, when you put a little bit too many papers, it kind of like cracks and bends. I know that it's a thing and we love it, and I don't know, it just kind of like, this is my preference. This is my preference. I love it. It's soft enough, but it has enough structure to it, so it's perfect. And this is what I was the most excited about. Pocket Versa is a planner and the separate, I don't know, let's call it cover wallet / wallet thing. So let's start with the cover. What do we have here? We have a big pocket. I honestly never ever used big pockets. I see why it can be helpful. Maybe you get something like, I don't know, you went to see a doctor and they gave you something and you just put it in here and it's all safe. That's actually perfect. This is a standard letter size 8.5 by 11, and I just folded it twice. So half of it and quarter of it. This is just for sizing purposes. I want you to be able to kind of like picture it better, the size of everything. So this fits here perfectly and has a little space left, and obviously on the sides quite a bit of space, so you can stuff it good enough. I love how the stuffed planner looks. Never used it myself. I always will set it up and be excited about everything, and then it's just not practical to me. So that's why I'm excited about this little guy. But I can see that it can be helpful for just, like few things, or you got some other, I don't know, tickets or something else, and you put it in here. Here we have a zip pocket. This is always cool. I always want something with the zip because sometimes you have tiny things that you don't want to lose, and just putting it somewhere is not safe enough. Here's another pocket here. Here is another one here. They're two separate pockets. Here is a bigger one. You can put a card, maybe ID can go here. And 1, 2, 3, 4 more pockets here. And again, here is something for like with a see-through window. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pockets, including this one. And here is one more bigger one and another one. So plenty of pockets. What else I'm excited about is that this thing has a pen loop that is very different from everything else. It can be, it's pretty nice size. This is just a regular pen. I prepped a Sharpie here just for, again, sizing purposes. Let's see if Sharpie will fit. I think it might be a little tight for Sharpie. Actually, it fits perfectly. It actually fits perfectly. So you can fit a Sharpie, a pen thick as a Sharpie, as thick as a Sharpie. Or something smaller obviously will fit here as well. There is no pen loop here. in the planner insert, but remember we have a fly leaf, which is actually convenient when you need a pen. Maybe most of the time you just keep a leaf, but if you need to grab it and run somewhere just quickly, you know, you don't need your pen, or you just need smaller size to fit in your pocket. You can take whatever extra out and it will still be nice. My love to this starts with honestly, it starts with the inserts. Okay, wait, let me finish. Pretty much I'm done here. This has two buttons here. One of them is to make it a little bit tighter, which is with this size rings, not too tight. This is the tightest version, and this is if you want it a little bit more loose, you can, oh my, you can stuff it. Back to this. I love this size inserts. I think it's really, really comfortable to write on it, and it just very easy to make. I love making my own inserts for some reason. Most of the inserts, all of the inserts are standard sizes. I love non-standard sizes. Currently this is my favorite size. That's the planner I'm using. It's a little DIY, but yeah, this is the insert size, and you can see the height is kind of perfect for this one, but this one gives a little bit more thickness, not a little bit, almost twice. So you can write quite a lot here. And with the insert standard size, you see, even the inserts are smaller than the leaf, like quite smaller. So my concern is, why not make all the inserts as thick as possible, as wide as possible, I mean. That's why I'm making my own. But yeah, here 90 millimeters rings, so can be put in a lot. No pockets anywhere, I mean on the outside. Inside you have one big pocket, one horizontal, and 3 more vertical for cards or whatever stickers maybe you want to put in it. And this is the size of, again, 8.5 by 11 standard letter size paper. It kind of fits perfectly in here. I know that if like you make a hole, it's going to be about this much, but this is, if you even cut like that, look how much more space you have to write in it. You have more space on the top, and you have way more space even if I cut like that. You have more space here. And let's compare it with the leaf. Yep, still taller, wide, still a little bit wider, but I love this guy. My preference, again, probably smaller rings, but I mean smaller rings with this one, it's just gonna give you an option to make the insert wider. But if you want to put a little bit more, I actually think that might be perfect for the planner on the go. If you want to carry maybe at least half a year of daily inserts, that would probably be perfect. Yep, this is again Pocket Versa, and I think I'm in love. You're gonna see quite a few other reviews. I want to give you an understanding, kind of like a view of all the different planners, and then I'll do one video comparing all of them, just sizes, so it's easier. I always struggled picking something online like that because you don't have a feel of it. You don't, kind of like, you can see somehow, but I would always look at a smaller one and see, oh, that was gonna be perfect, and then I receive it and it's too small. So yeah, that's why I have all this sizing tools that are not standard. Like, I know you can, like when you have the measurements, you can draw it by yourself, but that's not the point. I was trying to show that pocket size is pretty much quarter of 8.5 by 11 on the outside. And here again, you can put and insert. I mean, this is the original one. Let's do like that. So this is the, I'm gonna put on the corner, in the bottom corner, and lay it kind of like even with the holes here. So this is the leaf, and this is, let's take out the inserts. Maybe at least one so we can see. So this is the paper. That's how it is. You see? Okay, this one is not way bigger, but still bigger. Sometimes this is quarter inch can make a difference. Also, why are we not using all this space? Can you tell me? Nope. Yeah, I know that it's like you want to open it, you want to be able to open it, you want to, I don't know, be able to use it better. But I mean, let's see. This one is touching too, and this one is touching here as well. So there is no difference, I think. I would always make it a little bit bigger. And I also like to keep my pen in here. If it's not stuffed too much, it works perfectly. If you like to keep the pen in the loop, then it has a little stretchy thing here. So you can put a pen, and the height of the regular pen is pretty much perfect for the pocket planner size. Pocket size planner. And again with Sharpie. I thought Sharpie is a little thicker than the pen, but they kind of similar. Okay, yep, same here. Perfect. Perfect size. If you love tiny purses like I do, then this one will probably not work in the tiniest one, but usually in the daily life, I prefer a little bit bigger purse because I still carry lots of things. I think this will have no problem fitting in it. And this can be something extra, you know, you don't have to carry it every day. But if you go somewhere, I don't know, you travel and you want more cards, more something, I don't know, maybe plane tickets, even though everyone uses digital now, but still, or you have a bigger purse and you like having all that, this can, I mean, this works amazing. Or you can, you know, like you can have this kind of like as your organizer for all your planning stuff, have some stickers, have something else, maybe different color pen, or, you know, this full color pen can be here. And then when you're ready to set your planner, you just take it out and you use all of that. Yeah, this is it, Pocket Versa. Love it. I love that you can take this one out and just, again, I don't like this, but I like the little takeout planner itself. Let me know if you have any questions. If you have some specific questions, I can record another short video to answer those, if it's size specific. But other than that, I hope it was helpful. I hope you'd enjoy watching it. I hope my accent doesn't give you any trouble understanding what I'm saying. I'm always a little self-cautious about my accent, but at least video I hope was helpful. Have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one.